In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Grubhub promo code. You can simply get the Grubhub discount code 2024 in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. On the Safari search bar, type in Grubhub promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you get 10% off any purchase on Grubhub. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to Grubhub. Make sure to also enter your email right here to get the latest Grubhub coupons. Go to the Grubhub website and make sure you paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your promo code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get your Grubhub promo codes in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.